Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson from bloggingBizOnline.com, and today I'm going to bring you a free video course about Clickbank Marketing Essentials. And for those of you that are new to Clickbank or anybody that's familiar with it, this is an ideal course for you. And like I said at the start, it's absolutely free of charge, and I'll tell you where to get that at the end of the video. So stick with me. So just a quick introduction to Clickbank.
Are you selling information products or marketing as an affiliate online? This message is for you. Maybe you've already heard about the Clickbank marketplace, or maybe you haven't. If you're not familiar with it, Clickbank is one of the largest online marketplaces for digital products worldwide. Basically, you sign up as an affiliate, find an offer, grab your affiliate link, and start promoting. Their catalog spans a seemingly endless pool of topics, niches, products, and more. Because of this, you can easily find the right offer to promote in your business. The bigger issue is, how do you go about marketing these offers properly to make you some money? Well, now there's a solution for you. The brief but super informative Clickbank affiliate marketing course details all of the essentials that you need to know. You'll learn not just how to get started, but how to market these offers to see the actionable results. Regardless of if you're new to affiliate marketing or a veteran, this course will give your efforts the juice they need to succeed. Best of all, if you take action now, you can gain access for 100% free. Just grab your copy using the button on the page below.
Okay, so like it said there, you can claim this video course absolutely free of charge by clicking the link in my description underneath this video, and you will also receive the Clickbank Marketing Essentials cheat sheet and also the original ebook that came with the course originally. All right, so absolutely fabulous free offer. So if you want to take me up and get your Clickbank Marketing Essentials video course absolutely free of charge, it'll teach you how to become a Clickbank affiliate and the ways to market your products successfully and the top tips surrounding Clickbank marketing. So to claim all that, click my link below in this description and give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you would please, and yes, hit that notification bell so you get listed for any new offers I've got coming up in the future. So for now, that's all from me. So from bloggingBizOnline.com, have a safe day.